What if you could earn US dollars even while you sleep? No boss, no fixed schedule, just money coming in automatically. Sounds unrealistic? But this is exactly how the wealthy build their income.
Most people work for money every single day. They trade time for income, and when they stop working, the money stops too. But rich people think differently. They build assets that generate income 24 hours a day. In this video, I will show you 7 powerful assets that can generate passive income in US dollars.
Let's start with one of the most powerful platforms, YouTube. You create a video once, and it can keep earning money for years. Through ads, sponsorships, and millions of global viewers, YouTube pays creators in US dollars. The best part? You don't need to show your face. Many people are building faceless channels using simple editing and AI tools. Once your video starts getting views, it becomes a long-term income asset.
Next is affiliate marketing. This is one of the easiest ways to start earning online. You simply promote products using a special link. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. You don't need to create your own product. Big platforms like Amazon and others offer affiliate programs that pay in US dollars. With the right audience, this can become a strong passive income stream. Now let's talk about dividend stocks. When you invest in strong companies, they share their profits with you. This payment is called a dividend. Many US companies pay dividends regularly, sometimes every quarter. So even if you are not working, your money keeps working for you. Over time, this can build a steady flow of passive income. Another powerful asset is digital products. You can create ebooks, online courses, templates, or designs. The best part? You create it once and sell it unlimited times. There's no inventory, no shipping, no extra cost. People from all over the world can buy your product and you earn in US dollars. This is one of the most scalable income streams.
Real estate has made many people wealthy. When you own property, you can rent it out. Tenants pay you every month, creating a steady income. In countries like the US, rental income is a major source of passive earnings. Even though it may require investment, it is a powerful long-term asset.
Next is business automation. This means creating a system that runs without your daily involvement. For example, an online store that processes orders automatically, or a service that uses software and tools to operate. Once the system is set up, it keeps generating income with minimal effort. This turns active work into passive income.
Finally, intellectual property. This includes things like music, books, designs, or software. When you create something valuable, you can earn royalties. Every time someone uses your work, you get paid. This income can continue for years, even decades.
Now you know the 7 assets that can pay you in US dollars, even while you sleep. The truth is, you don't need all of them. Start with just one and build it step by step. Because in the end, the goal is simple. Don't work for money your whole life. Build assets so money works for you.